3 deadly mistakes you're making with chia seed water. You think chia seed water is healthy, right? One guy landed in the ER after drinking it wrong. And he's not the only one. Most people are making at least one of these 3 deadly mistakes. Are you? Stick around. One of them might surprise you. Chia seeds are everywhere. Smoothies, detox drinks, even celebrity wellness routines. And yes, they can be a superfood. But just because something's healthy doesn't mean it's safe in every form. If you're adding chia seed water to your daily routine but feeling bloated, constipated, or tired, there's a good chance you're doing it wrong. Let's fix that. What happens when you drink it the wrong way? Here's the deal. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3s, fiber, protein, and antioxidants. They're like tiny nutrition bombs. But when soaked or consumed the wrong way, these same seeds can mess with your digestion, disrupt blood sugar balance, and even put you at risk for choking. Yes, choking. That's not clickbait. It's a real risk. And that's why we need to talk about the 3 most common and dangerous mistakes people make with chia seed water, so you can avoid them for good. By the way, if you care about natural, science-backed wellness tips and simple changes that actually work, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more real talk holistic health videos every week. Alright, let's break down the mistakes. Mistake number 1. Drinking it without soaking properly. The choking hazard no one talks about. Here's what most people do without thinking. You toss some dry chia seeds into water or a smoothie. Maybe you stir it for 10 seconds, and then you gulp it down. Sounds harmless, right? Wrong. Chia seeds can absorb 10 to 12 times their weight in water. But if they haven't absorbed that water before you swallow them, guess what happens? They swell inside your throat or esophagus. That can lead to serious blockages, especially in people who already have swallowing difficulties or digestive issues. In fact, there's a 2014 case study published in the journal Annals of Internal Medicine where a man ended up in the emergency room with a blocked esophagus because he ate a spoonful of dry chia seeds and chased it with water. The seeds expanded before they could go down. So here's the rule. Always soak your chia seeds in water for at least 20 to 30 minutes before drinking. Let them turn into that gel-like texture. That's when they're safe and ready to go. And if you're in a rush, make your chia water the night before. Trust me, your gut will thank you. And that's just the first one. Mistake number 2? Most people think it's healthy, but it's secretly draining your energy. Mistake number 2. Drinking it first thing in the morning without food. Blood sugar roller coaster. We've all heard this morning detox routine. Wake up, drink warm chia seed water on an empty stomach. Cleanse your body. Sounds like a great start to the day, right? Except, it might be why you're crashing by 11 a.m. and reaching for sugar by noon. Chia seeds do contain healthy fats, fiber, and protein, but drinking them solo, especially in water, isn't enough to stabilize blood sugar for most people. In fact, consuming chia seed water without any fat or complex carbs around can temporarily spike your blood sugar and insulin response. Then drop it. You'll feel a brief energy burst, followed by fatigue, irritability, and cravings. It's like a sneaky blood sugar trap. The fix? Pair your chia water with a real breakfast. Something balanced, like eggs and avocado toast or oatmeal with nuts. Or better yet, blend the chia into a smoothie with banana, almond butter, and plant milk. That way, you're not just hydrating, you're nourishing. Mistake number 3. Using the wrong ratios. Too much fiber, not enough water. This one sneaks up on a lot of people, especially if you're trying chia water for weight loss or constipation. Here's what they do. They dump 3 to 4 tablespoons of chia seeds into a single glass of water, thinking more is better. What they get instead? Bloating, gas, constipation, sometimes even cramps. Why? Because chia seeds are extremely high in soluble fiber, about 10 grams per ounce. That's good fiber, but only if you drink enough water to help move it through your gut. Without enough fluid, That gel just sits there and slows everything down. Here's the rule of thumb. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds per 1.5 to 2 cups of water. That's the sweet spot for digestion, hydration, and absorption. And make sure you're sipping extra water throughout the day if you're using chia seeds daily. Think of chia like a sponge. It pulls water in. Skip the extra water, and your gut will remind you. What happens when you get it right? Now, here's the good news. When you actually use chia seed water correctly, the benefits are incredible. It keeps you full for hours, reducing the urge to snack. It hydrates you from the inside out, especially when combined with lemon or mint. It helps balance digestion, regularity, and gut health. And yes, it can support healthy weight loss without the crash. There's even some early research showing that chia seeds may improve cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation markers, and support heart health. But only when used smartly. A superfood is only as good as your body's ability to use it. Don't just eat healthy, eat smart. The smart way to use chia water. Let's recap. Mistake number 1. Drinking dry or poorly soaked chia seeds, risking choking and discomfort. Mistake number 2. Drinking it on an empty stomach without food, leading to sugar crashes. Mistake number 3. Using too much chia, not enough water, causing bloating and constipation. Now that you know the truth, here's how to do it right. 1. Soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in 2 cups of water. 2. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes or overnight. 3. Add lemon, honey, or mint if you like flavor. 4. Pair it with a balanced meal. 5. Stay hydrated all day. That's it. Simple, safe, and super effective. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who drinks chia water the wrong way and save them the stomach pain. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for real wellness advice that actually works. And remember, it's not about trends. It's about tuning into your body. Stay well, stay smart, and don't let your superfood backfire. See you in the next one.